Hello gorgeous, I hope you're having a lovely day. Today's video, I'm super excited as we're gonna be reviewing Pixi Beauty by Petra. I've been using Pixi Beauty. It's not brand new brand to me. I've been using their retinol tonic, my absolutely favorite face tonic. I did a few Instagram posts about it of my skincare routine. I'm gonna try and insert this in here so you guys can check it out if you haven't seen it. Honestly, this is the best face tonic ever. Not even exaggerating. So this tonic is a retinol tonic, retinol and jasmine flower smoothing tonic. Smells amazing, feels amazing on the skin. For you who don't know, I have super sensitive skin. I have rosacea, acne, breakouts, and extremely oily skin, as you can probably tell because I'm all shiny. Because I've never done the Pixi Beauty review, I thought I'm gonna do a quick video reviewing it, as I just got some products that I never tried. So I thought, you know what? It's time to give this a go. Let's just check what I have in this treat box and we can try and review and create a makeup look using all these goodies. First thing first, I have this thing called Rose Essence Oil, Nourishing Hybrid Oil. What they say is skin loving ingredients: rose flower oil nourishes and rejuvenates, rose water balances pH and antioxidant rich, Caramate NP, don't really know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, provides time release moisture. This looks amazing. Love the color, love the bottle packaging. Pixi Beauty is known for their skincare products and probably the best products on the market. Good ingredients, perfect for sensitive skin like I have. This looks good, you guys. Oh my god, you guys, this feels amazing. Okay, for sure loving this so far. I mean, it feels amazing on the skin. My skin feels like extra moisturized in a matter of seconds. It's non-greasy or anything like this. With some oils, facial oils, like I have oily skin, so some facial oils is just a bit of a no-no for me because it makes my skin look extra greasy. It gives this like a layer of greasiness on the top of the skin, and then makeup doesn't look good after. So I'm really excited about this. Let's check what else I have in here. So I have this under eye brightener. I'm not sure what I should go first. Let's just check this Rose Radiance Perfector Skin Illuminating and Chaser. Is this like a highlighter? Okay, so what they say: skin loving ingredients, rose water balances pH and antioxidant rich, Caramate NP provides time release moisture, hyaluronic acid hydrates, blurs and brightens to give skin a fresh finish, smooth onto tops of cheekbones, brow bone and cupid's bow to enhance features, or use all over for a tone correcting effect. Sounds to me more like the highlighter, so I think we're gonna use this as a highlighter, but we're just gonna check this now. I wonder how it looks. Oh, I think it is like a liquid highlighter. Okay, so this is gonna be our one of the last steps. Okay, looks interesting, but not far too much. A little bit goes a lot. Oh, I love this. This gives like a glass skin effect, you guys. Very nice rosy smell once again. Literally smells like a rose water. So I have two skin tints in here. So it's called H2O Skin Tint Tinted Face Gel. Face gel rather than face moisturizer or cream, which is different. Usually it's face cream, like a BB cream. They say about it is water-based tinted face gel evens out skin tone and gives complexion a flawless no makeup look. Hydrates and provides all-day wear. Contains antioxidant rich green tea, moisturizing rose water, soothing English chamomile, and relaxing lavender. Fragrance free for all skin types. For all skin types, I have oily skin, so let's just see if it works. I have a color nude and beige. I'm gonna try the nude first. This shade is beige. I might need to mix both shades, so let's just do that and see. So I'm gonna use a very dense brush for it because it's a gel. Just gonna mix both shades. That's strange. I really don't know how much of the coverage it's gonna give me because it's a gel. Tinted face gel for all skin types. And I have a lot of redness on my face because I have rosacea, so it might not end up red, but we'll see guys. Feels very strange on the skin, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. You guys, I'm not gonna lie, because it's a gel and not cream, I mean it's a tinted gel, not tinted moisturizer, because it's not even a foundation, it kinda melts into the skin and it gives very natural finish. It's not like a full-on coverage foundation because you can still see my skin, but it looks better. If you've been following my channel, you guys probably know how much I love full-on coverage, just because I have so many, you know, imperfections and I try to cover it all up so nothing is visible. But I kind of really liking this now. I mean, it still gave me a coverage, as you can probably see through a camera, but you can still see a bit of a redness. Like I have some freckles in here, you can still see a little bit of freckles popping up. Kind of liking this. I might be converted to a light coverage foundation tinted gel thing. Another thing that I think would match on now, Pixi Under Eye Brightener, Energizing Under Eye Protector, because I think it might be a little bit like a concealer, but I don't really know. So what this is, vitamin C infused under eye perfector, blurs and energizes. Skin loving ingredients: vitamin C brightening, ferulic acid antioxidant boosting, caffeine depuffs and energizes. Tap to apply on the under eye, use alone or under concealer. Okay, use under concealer. Alright. Does have a color. The darker color than I was imagining it gonna have. I'm just gonna tap some with my finger and try to blend in with the warmth of my finger. See how it's gonna brighten up now. Okay, I love the look of this. I'm not sure what it's doing exactly to my skin just now, but it feels amazing, so hey ho, I'm not complaining. So I still got a few more products in here, but I don't have any concealer and I don't want my face to look flat as a pancake, so I'm gonna cheat a bit and I'm gonna use a little bit of concealer. This one is by Revolution. It's Conceal and Define in C1. I'm just gonna tap a little bit because I want this to be kind of natural look. I'm just gonna blend with my finger. Let's have a Sheer Cheek Gel Cheek Stain. I have a color Rosy. So what they say is translucent. How come it's a stain but it's translucent? Okay. Translucent, long wear, oil-free. This gel creates a supernatural flush of color, fragrance-free, hydrating. This is rather interesting. Okay, they say it's a gel. I can see it's a gel. It has a very light, nearly transparent like stain mark on. But it's not super intense or anything, because I thought, you know, with some stains, like cheek stains, it's extremely intense, like a little goes a lot. But this one is very, like, natural looking, you know? It's not in your face one. Okay, let's try. Okay, I see a colorful, sure. I'm just doing my blush in here as I want my face to look lifted. If you guys wanna, I can do a little video explaining how blush changes the shape of your face. The same with contour, can do that as well. Really like this. I'm gonna use a bit on my lips as well, because why not? I actually really like this on the lips. As you see, I applied more on the lips, so therefore the shade is more intense. Yeah, I really like this. The cheek stain is not a joke because I applied more on the lips. You can see that. Also, my finger is totally stained. Next thing I think we can try is this Illuminator Rose Radiance Perfector Skin Illuminating and Chaser. I'm just gonna dab a little bit on. With my finger once again. Okay, this definitely gives this kind of glowy finish. Very like a glass skin kinda. If you're looking for glass skin effect, then this is definitely something you need to get your hands on. Okay, I got a few more things in here. This one is actually powder. It's called HO Skin Veil, the Hydrating Loose Powder. Weightless loose powder to fix and finish. It cools, refreshes, and hydrates as it leaves a satin skin-like finish. Rub onto complexion on bare skin or on the top of foundation. Has skin-loving ingredients like aloe vera, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. The one I have is in a color Sun-Kissed, so I'm gonna try and use this as my bronzer because it's a bit too dark for me as a setting powder. I would need one as a translucent powder. But what I love about it, apparently this is supposed to be perfect for oily skin as it's supposed to absorb all the oil and like instantly mattify skin. What I'm gonna do next, I want to add a little bit of a shade to my lids, so I'm gonna use the same powder as I use for contour. I don't have any eyeshadow. And just kind of rub this in, just a bit to contour my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit mascara and then we can try this setting spray and we're gonna be done. Okay, so mascara is on. The only thing we got left to do is to use this makeup fixing mist, rosewood and green tea all over setting mist. Prolongs makeup wear and keeps it from moving, melting or settling into fine lines or pores. Sounds amazing, you guys. Comforts, preserves, increases hydration and balances skin for a fresh face. You can use before makeup, extends makeup wear, after makeup, sets makeup and adds a soft focus finish. Anytime to refresh makeup, hydrate and balance. Shake well before use. Okay, let's shake well. She might not read properly before, so I could have used it prior makeup, but hey ho, I'm using this for the very first time, first impressions review, so you know, gonna work this, right? Okay. Smells absolutely amazing. By the way, I forgot to mention I did the little wings, as you can see. I just used the same brow pen by NYX. It's Lift and Snatch in color Espresso for the eyeliner. The setting spray, absolutely love it. If you're a big setting spray user like I do, you would probably notice a lot of setting sprays has this a bit irritating smell, like very artificial-ish kind of smell, and yeah, you know what I mean. But this smells so lovely and fresh. It doesn't have any like chemical, plasticky or anything like this, or like a toilet spray. You know, if you know, you know. It smells very nice and fresh, a bit like a rose water. I'm just reading, it says rose water and green tea. That's why it smells a bit like rose water. And that's the finished look, you guys. I absolutely love every product I have in here. I'm actually very surprised about this tinted face gel because I'm a person who loves a full-on coverage, and you know, I would take everything that is extremely matte and would give me extreme coverage, but this gives very sheer finish, so you still see my skin. I'm not sure what camera transfers through, but what I see, you know, in the mirror in front of me, you still can see my skin, you can see my pores, you can see, you know, all the texture and everything. So it doesn't blur skin out, but yet it gives this little tint, so it doesn't look as makeupy, if you know what I mean. So I think it's very perfect for summer because it's still your skin, or like better. This liquid illuminator, I mean, you guys, do you see this glow? Yeah, I'm like obsessed. That's all I'm gonna say. Let me know in the comments down below if you found this video helpful, if you tried already any products from Pixi. As always, don't forget to press the thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video and subscribe to my channel for more. You're gonna majorly support my channel, and I shall see you soon. Enjoy your day, guys. Bye. Check it out.